wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best adult nightlights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Loftek Sphere can be operated wirelessly using your smartphone. It features intuitive brightness and color controls, and is simple to turn on and off too. It can serve as a gentle way to wake up in the morning or softly illuminate a room all night long. The companion app is easy to use and is great for meditating, but it is on the expensive end of the spectrum. At number 8, most adults don't need something in their bedroom to feel safe and secure enough to fall asleep, but they do want to avoid tripping over anything if they get up in the middle of the night. So the GE Silver switches on only when it detects movement. It has a 20-foot range and doesn't get hot to the touch. However, its light tone is rather cool. At number 7, with a minimalist appearance, the Mr. Go 4-inch will fit nicely into any contemporary interior design scheme, and can also serve as ambience outside during your next barbecue or garden party. Even when it isn't lit up, it looks like a stylish piece of decor. It includes an easy-to-operate remote and is energy efficient, but the charge depletes quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for adult nightlights, or simply click beneath this video. Moving up our list to number 6. The Soaiy adjustable makes bedtime a swirling psychedelic adventure. This model is capable of projecting a realistic recreation of the aurora borealis and nebula patterns onto the ceiling or wall of your bedroom, easing you into sleep. It offers multiple color settings and tilts at a 45-degree angle. However, its auto shut-off time is fixed. Coming in at number 5, the elegant and USB rechargeable cpla 3D printing moon features all the craters and ranges of the titular celestial body. This one comes in 3 sizes ranging from 3.9 to 7.1 inches in diameter in order to accommodate bedrooms of all sizes. It includes a dimmer function and an elegant wooden stand, but it tips over too easily. At number 4, the budget-friendly sycees plug-in have a sleek, unobtrusive profile and come in multi-packs, so you can use them all over the house to light up hallways and bathrooms. Each features an automatic dusk-to-dawn sensor, so it'll activate just when you need it to. These are compatible with all standard outlets and are available in 2 light color options. There are no bulbs to replace either. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the mineralamp Himalayan salt is hand-carved and emits a pleasant, calming amber glow that can be used as a nightlight in your bedroom or to set the mood at dinner. Note that it is a natural stone, so each one will have its own unique look. It includes a rosewood base and a convenient dimmer switch, and comes in 2 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for adult nightlights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, any adult male would appreciate a Vintar 5-stage in his toilet bowl during those middle-of-the-night relief sessions. This clever model clips onto the side of your commode and lets you see where to aim, helping you maintain a cleaner bathroom. There are 16 color options, all made from water-resistant plastic with a 12-month satisfaction guarantee. And taking the top spot on our list, fans of rustic interior design will gravitate toward the GE Vintage, which features an Edison bulb protected by an old-school metal cage. It's reasonably priced, you are listed for safety, and comes with a lifetime warranty. It's also available in a 2-pack and can leave an outlet free. It's got a matte metal finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for adult nightlights, or simply click beneath this video.